Welcome! Here's the simplest way to bring back the missing Promotions tab in Gmail. First, open Gmail on your browser and make sure you're signed in. When you're in your inbox, you might notice that the Promotions tab is not showing at the top. To fix this, go to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. A quick Settings panel will open. In that panel, look for the option called Inbox Type. Make sure it's set to Default. If it already is, click the Customize button right next to it. Inside the Customize section, you'll see a list of tabs you can turn on or off. Find the tab called Promotions and check the box next to it. You can also enable other tabs like Social or Updates if you want. After selecting Promotions, scroll down and click Save. Gmail will refresh and the Promotions tab will appear again at the top of your inbox. That's all you need to do. The Promotions tab isn't missing anymore because you re-enabled it from your Gmail settings. And that's how to bring back the Gmail Promotions tab. Subscribe for more simple tutorials.